Hello friends, today's tutorial we will discuss about the some commands inside the features. First is the lofted base and next I will discuss the lofted cut. So for using this lofted boss base we need to create different sketches in different planes. So first convert this unit into MMGS and choose this front plane. So suppose first I will create one plane, go to the plane and the first reference that I am giving the first reference the top plane and I need a two plane, so I increase this 1 to 2 and click on OK. Now here this is the one plane and plane 2 and this is the top plane. Go to the top plane and make it normal and go to a sketch and make a profile here. Suppose I am making a circle of radius 200. OK, exit from the sketch. Now choose plane 2, make it normal, go to a sketch and create a profile circular of 150 mm. Again exit from the sketch and choose this plane 2 and go to a sketch, create a profile rectangle and click on OK. Now exit from the sketch. Now here we have created a sketch in different planes, so just I am hiding this plane. So this is the 3 sketch. So go to the features and loft base. So after selecting the loft boss base, here it is asking us to select the profile. So this is the profile. So like this, if you select this profile, the geometry is created. And if you want to hollow this geometry, so for hollow there is an external feature, thin features. So click on the thin. The same one direction, mid plane and two direction. If you do the mid plane, so the geometry will the geometry will go to the middle and then the thickness will distribute it equally. Suppose if you increase the thickness and you see here the geometry is in the middle and the 5 mm in inward and 5 mm outward, that is equally distribution of thickness. So another option, the two direction, that means the variable thickness you provide here either outward or inward, the thickness is varying. Suppose the thickness of outward is 3 mm and inward is 2 mm. So similarly the thickness is changing here. So just uncheck this thin features and click on OK. So this is the loft boss base command. So by using this command you can create two geometry with different profiles and you can join this to create some or any complex shape. So next go to the loft boss base and there is another option like a guide curve or a center line parameter. So how we can use this? First is go to the center line parameter. So for creating this center line parameter I need one line. According to this the profile is means we are providing a path. So how we can do, just first I will delete this or go to the new and change the unit and go to the front plane, make it normal and sketch, select a line so just do the fillet between these two lines. OK, so exit from the sketch. Now go to the, so make a plane normal to this curve. So I'm going to the features. Inside this reference geometry, there is option plane. So click this line, and the reference line is this. Okay, and plane, this line, and this is my reference line. Okay, now we have created two different plane. So first go to this plane 1 and sketch, and make it normal, and created a profile. Suppose I'm creating a rectangle profile. Exit from this sketch, and next I'm going this plane, make it normal, and go to a sketch, create another profile. Okay, now exit from the sketch. Now we hide this plane. Now this is the two different sketch and one guide curve. So go to the features, select lofted boss base, and this is the two profile. So we have selected these two profile. So remember, this two green dot is very, very important. So this green dots always be in a same line. If this green dot will not in a same line, what will happen? Let's see, the twisting occurs. I'm changing this green dot. You see here the twisting occur. So you should ensure that this green line should be in same line, these two green dots. So again, the option is the center line parameter. So you just choose the center line parameter. Now after choosing the center line parameter, now you see the profile is according to this line. Now click on OK. So like this you can create this type of profile by using the center line inside the Swift boss base. So next is the guide curve. So again go to this plane, click on sketch, so first delete this profile. Now we have three sketch, so go to this front plane, make it normal, and create one guide curve here. So choose this plane, now we have to create one additional guide curve. So for making a guide curve, again go to the front plane, normal, sketch, and plane. Okay, edit sketch. Now see here we have created the guide curve. So again go to the features, click on loft boss base, and this profile and this profile. Click on the guide curve and select this, and next select this, click on OK. So like this you can create a profile by using a guide curve inside the Swift boss base. So I hope you will understand, and if you like, please subscribe this channel and comment, so that we will motivated and make more video like this. Thank you for today.